In this video, I will tell you how to fix Mcafee app not opening problem. So it is easy and simple. Please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Mcafee app. Now tap on app info. Now tap on storage usage and clear cache. Now tap on clear data and now OK. Now close this and go to Google Play Store if you are using Android and App Store if you are using iOS. And now tap on search option and here tap on search bar and search for Mcafee. Now tap on here and here you will see update options. Simply update this app to the latest version. So this will fix the issue for you of not opening. So hope you will like this video. Thanks.